dumb things.
Hi guys, welcome back to another nifage airsoft video. This game mode is called the bomb run. Right now, me and the blue team are heading up to the 4th floor to get ready and decide which is the best plan of action to complete this game. Also, as you can see, I'm trying a little bit of voiceover, so if you wish for me to continue to do this, please let me know in the comments below. The objective of this game is myself and the blue team have to fight our way down each stairwell to each floor using alternative stairs, meaning if we go down small stairs we must fight our way to the main stairs, and so on and so forth on each level. We cannot go down both stairs at the exact same time. We must get the bomb from the 4th floor down to the 1st floor stairway, whichever one it may be, when we hit that floor before the timer on the bomb runs out. The red team must annihilate our team as quickly as they can, and if by any chance the bomb carrier gets taken out, he must drop the bomb where he is hit. He must leave it there, giving the red team the chance to capture the bomb and defend us off from it, making it harder for us to get down to our objective point, our finishing point, before the timer on the bomb runs out. Rules at the game site is the door must be open A4 for the enemy to be able to shoot through and take us out. So right now he's just observing because the door is less than A4 open, so he's absolutely fine. If he gets hit, he is not out.
Now on the right.
Guys down there. Yeah, you hit Josh, you hit me. Yeah! That's what we do. look at you. Yeah. Watch your back here. Push guys. Change your mark. Go down the door. Don't step, no, go away. Over there. Back up. Jim, back up a bit. Back up there. Somebody's good. Where's my grenade gone? Yeah. Right, grenade guy, come straight to me.
Okay, so the reason why I called the bomb carrier over to me is for the simple fact is he didn't want to get shot up a lot and he wanted to stay at the back of the group, so we all decided to let him stay at the back and we defend him, and as we push through the floor he follows us and we put him in a position where he is covered and he is safe just while we clear that floor. Okay, so right now this third floor has now been covered and cleared, so we're just prepping, picking up our grenades and the rest of our equipment, so we can advance down the main stairs now, down to the second floor and continue with the objective.
Bomb boys! Yeah. Right, let's go. Come boys, push. Where are we? Right there, right side. Forward, Red.
Okay, so this is the second floor completed. Our team, which I got it wrong, we are the red team, not the blue team, have cleared the second floor extremely quickly. So now we're advancing down to first floor.
Yeah, it is. It's grenade. You can post it. A4 to shoot. A4 to shoot. And then you can post it. Yeah, yeah.
there, guys, come on. So good. How did you get it? Dude, I don't think you did get it, but fair play. Alright, let's go. Get in there, Jim. On the left, on the left.
Okay, so right now we've breached the final room to the first floor, so now we've got to clear this room. What the bomb runner should have done right now is ran all the way through this floor, got to those stairs right there, and then that would have been the end of the game, and Marshall could have defused the bomb, and that's it, that's the game done.